Okay, this is problem 19 from chapter 9 of CFIN7. We're going to do an NPV, IRR, and a discounted payback period. Epson Manufacturing is evaluating a project that costs $464,000. Expected to generate $200,000 each of the next 3 years. Compute the project net present value, internal rate of return, and discounted payback period. Epson's required rate of return is 13%. Should Epson purchase the project? So NPV equals NPV. So the rate's the 13%, comma, we capture the cash flows after the initial costs, and then we add back the initial costs and get a net present value of $8,230.52. So yes, we would purchase the project. The IRR equals IRR, and we just capture all of the cash flows. We get 14.04%, which is greater than 13%. So now to calculate the discounted payback period, we have to present value all of the cash flows. So 200,000 divided by 1 plus the 13%. There's nothing wrong with my formula. I don't know what's going on there. But function F4, close paren, caret, and now we capture the 1 because we're in the first year. So now we can drag this down, and we have the present value of the 3 years of cash flows. So now so we take the initial costs, and then we add the present value in the first year. So there's $287,000 in costs left. And now we take the remaining costs, we add back the present value of the cash flow in the second year, the $156,000. So now we've got less than the present value of the cash flow remaining in costs. So my discounted payback period is going to be 2 plus, and we'll do a negative to change the sign, the 130,000 divided by the 138,000, and we get 2.94 years.